Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have four different alkenes. A is cyclobutadiene, B is cyclopentadienyl anion, and C is cyclopentadiene, and D is fused system. You have to find among the four which one is not anti-aromatic. The question is based on the Hückel rule. The anti-aromatic means it should have conjugation, planarity, cyclicity as well as the 4n electron. If you look at the A, all will obey. 4 pi electron means 4n anti-aromatic. If you look at the B, it is also anti-aromatic. Here you might think of conjugation, but cation triad conjugation, so it is also anti-aromatic. If you look at the D also conjugated, cyclic, definitely anti-aromatic. But C is non-aromatic system because of loss in conjugation. So our answer is C there. The concept you have to learn here is you have to master the Hückel rule to predict the aromaticity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.